Welcome to the IMC CRM Operations and Automation Hub Explainer series. In today's episode, we are going inside Queens Hairstyle, a Montreal Afro braiding studio, to show you exactly how a small business built a CRM foundation from scratch and what happened when they did. Queens Hairstyle had everything a growing business needs: a strong social media presence, an engaged community, and consistent demand. What they did not have was the infrastructure to capture, track, and convert that demand efficiently. Bookings coming in through multiple channels with no central record. Inquiries falling through the gaps because there was no pipeline to catch them. Sound familiar? Before we spent a single dollar on advertising, we built the foundation. The CRM was configured from scratch. A structured pipeline was set up so that every new booking inquiry automatically enters the system and gets followed up. The booking platform was integrated directly with the CRM in real time. When a client books, a deal is created automatically in the pipeline, with custom deal stages that are aligned with their business operations. Thousands of historical booking records were migrated and structured for the first time. Then the automation layer was built so that verified bookings feed back into campaign attribution, and the advertising learns from real results. Once the foundation was in place, we launched the campaigns. Within the first week, confirmed bookings were coming in. Click-through rate reached 7.5%, 26% above the industry benchmark, and 3 times higher than anything the client had achieved on their own. Cost per confirmed booking dropped by over 90%. This is what the right foundation does. You do not need a big budget, you need the right setup. Start simple, unlock features as you grow, and let the system work for you. If you are in Montreal or planning a visit, Queens Hairstyle is one of the city's top Afro braiding studios. Box braids, cornrows, and knotless braids for all hair types. Same-day appointments available. Book online in under 2 minutes. Case study link in the description. And if you are a small business owner who needs help building a CRM foundation, or needs help with demand generation, that is exactly what we do at IMC. Visit www.imarketing-consulting.eu to book a free consultation. Subscribe now for more.